Anne Waiguru ari na hinya munene ministry-ini ya wathani wa matura hindi iria ari minister. Ino niyo bica iria Peter Mangiti uria wari mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini yo harutite hindi ya kuruta uira hari uthuthuria urathie na mbere iguru ria ngukumio ya kigina kia mbeca ruhonge-ini rwa mbeu njithi-NYS. Peter Mangiti ari mbere ya kamiti ya mathabu mbunge-ini PSC akauga ati ona matua ma Waiguru matiari na mugaruri ona kana muria.
Peter Oganga Mangiti
hamwe na Macharia Mangiti oroteire Waiguru ni kwe kambuni ya consulting house ya mutahigwo nyika ndarathi hatari na gukuruhania maafitha ya ministry yo.
The consulting house was headhunted by the cabinet secretary Anne Waiguru, who was the CS, and throughout the assignment they were under strict instructions not to report to report only to the cabinet secretary and her retinue of advisors on matters restructuring of NYS.
Mangiti ona thengia gukorwo ari mwandiki mukaru akauga ati ndari na hinya o wothe ministry-ini yo. Mangiti arite kamiti yo ati Waiguru ni wa mutindikiririe gwikira thaini rwa ria kwamurwo kwa Adan Halake ta munini wa murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa NYS. Giturwa kiu kia Halake ona kuri ugo getiari hau kabere Mangiti akiuga ati ni Waiguru wa kiongereire.
I have never seen a change of guard executed in such a manner, given the size, the sheer size, and the facilities that NYS holds.
Mangiti hindi ya kwamurithio gwake kuma ministry yo akuruhanagio na kugathika ofisi ya Halake na kuigirira uthuthuria uria wathiaga na mbere iguru ria ngukumio yo.
I was taken to court even before I was processed, before my fingerprints were taken. Halake's name suddenly went missing from the charge sheet. One can only conclude that retaining his name in the charge sheet would have exposed and implicated the protectors who had propelled him into NYS.
Halake ni umwe wa ari Amerikanaga mari na hinya munene ministry-ini yo. No Mangiti akauga we no kuhuthirwo ahuthiragwo kuithirira aria matafanagia ngukumio iyo.
I had suddenly morphed from her hardworking peers to wear an ethnic tag, an enemy within, a saboteur. This one hurt me the most.
Mangiti ni umwe wa andu anene mugwanja aria marakuranio na ngukumio iyo. Uira wa Peter Mangiti no ngewirira kurutwo ni uria wari murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa NYS Nelson Egithiji ugikorwo no wa gwitikio uronania hinya uria minister wa tene wa wathani wa matura Anne Waiguru ari naguo ministry-ini no. No Waiguru akoretwo agititirithia ati ndakuhanite na njira o yothe na ungumania uyu uria uhithukite rwano wa ciringi bilioni 1.6. Ngiribotera Inoro TV ritwareko na Macharia Gachuru.